Dear friends, good morning. In this video, I would like to share a few thoughts on the theme Positive Tongue Makes the World to Love You. Though small in size, the tongue carries immense power. With it, you can wound or heal, divide or unite. When guided by positivity, the tongue and the words it communicates become a bridge of love, drawing people closer and inspiring harmony. Words are like seeds. For every word you speak, plant something in the hearts of others. A harsh word plants resentment, while a kind word plants trust. Thus, a positive tongue sows encouragement, gratitude, and hope. Seeds that grow into relationships filled with warmth and respect. Persons with a positive tongue speak the language of connection. People are naturally drawn to those who speak with gentleness and affirmation. For a positive speech does not flatter falsely but uplifts sincerely. It turns ordinary conversations into moments of comfort, making others seen, feel, and valued. In this way, a positive tongue establishes genuine connection between the speaker and the person who listens. A positive tongue brings healing through right speech. In times of conflict, a positive tongue calms storms. It chooses patience over anger, understanding over accusation. Such a speech heals wounds and restores trust, thereby proves that words can be medicine for the soul. A positive tongue is not merely speaking sweetly. It is about speaking truth with compassion, encouragement with sincerity, and love with consistency. When our words carry light, the world cannot but love us, for we become the source of peace in the world that longs for peace. Hence, if your tongue is positive, the world will love you. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.